So, you got paintless dent repair when you bought your vehicle. Well, congratulations. Now, let's get a true understanding of what that is. PDR, paintless dent repair. The key word here is paintless, okay? Basically what that's saying is they're not going to paint your car. So if you have a door ding, that does not necessarily need painting, okay? Paintless dent repair means you're going to repair that dent, take that dent out of your vehicle, but there's no painting involved at all, okay? So what do you mean by that? Well, again, let's say you bring your car in and you have this scratch, right? About so long, a scratch. But I took out that dent repair when I bought my car, and they said I didn't have to worry about anything, that y'all would fix it. No and no and no again. That requires painting and touching up, okay? That scratch probably is going to need some sanding, some prepping going on before they can even paint that vehicle or repair that scratch, I should say, okay? So just keep in mind, paintless dent repair is exactly what that means, PDR. There is no painting involved when you take out that type of, I would say, insurance or on your contract for the dent repairs. Nope, no painting at all. Paintless dent repair. And I keep saying it because it's the truth. There is no painting involved. Glad to remove the dings for you. Okay? And sometimes if a ding is on the crease of the vehicle, that can make it difficult too. Okay? So keep in mind that if you have a scratch or some damage that's going to take painting, that does not fall under PDR, paintless dent repair.